What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Vechain here, and as you can see, we're still putting in a range here in between our two Fibonacci levels, that's 0.23 and the 0.38. A pretty clear and obvious range here. We came down into it, obviously out of that big downtrend we were in. We come down, we make that double bottom. We retested the 0.23 multiple times down here actually, didn't we? But then we finally got the breakout. We come back up to our previous resistance after breaking out of that resistance here, which was this 0.38 Fibonacci level. We would get rejected, so we come back down, we roll over, and we've actually come back down and found support pretty much perfectly on this wider pennant formation that we were talking about. You can see we had the previous pennant here inside of this wider pennant. We got the breakout and the back test here, but it looks like we lost the bull market support and we rolled over, didn't we? We come back down to the 0.23 to find support. And it looks like we may be forming a larger coiling formation here, which would see ourselves, coming into the apex for it in maybe April, May time for Vechain, and then potentially maybe that final run up to the upside where we could see some of those price targets that we've been after. So we'd say, obviously the bull market has been extended. No one seems to think that the bull market's over apart from the perma bears still, despite obviously the fairly sideways bearish sentiment that we have seen recently. But we do think the extended cycle thesis does have a lot of weight right now, because we don't think that the top is in for Bitcoin, etc. We've seen really, just a trickle to the upside. We've not seen that parabolic, FOMO move that we always see by the end of the bull market. And we're not saying that that's always going to happen. But we do think that there's a lot of evidence to suggest that an extended cycle is probably going to happen, as we are still seeing a lot of upwards momentum for a lot of cryptos, altcoins, obviously. And we do think because of this that we're probably going to see Vechain, over the next few months, maybe over the next 6 months, as the bull market does mature and probably reach its conclusion, that we're going to see some more upwards price action for Vechain in that instance. So basically right now, Vechain just consolidating over the past few days, really not much to say. Obviously low volume and ranging sideways, just accumulating in a good area, waiting for that move to the upside. In our personal opinion, we do think that 8.5 cents for Vechain is a really good long-term entry point for Vechain. We do think this is probably going to be $2, $3, $5, maybe even $10 in the next 5 years, depending on how much use that it does get. This is a really top quality crypto. It has actual real world use case. It's actually getting used by companies right now. It's not just, one of those cryptos that's really useful, but only in the crypto space. This is a crypto that does get used in the real world. And we do think because of this, it's got some of those fundamentals that could see it having a really nice run up if we have a utility bull run, where a lot of cryptos that are getting a lot of use are going to see a lot of, big moves to the upside. XRP, Hedera Hashgraph, Quant, Vechain, all these kinds of cryptos that have actual real world application and big, strong fundamentals, real world utility basically outside the crypto space. If we do see a utility bull run in those instances, we do think Vechain could benefit heavily from that. So really not much to say about Vechain today. Still just chopping it sideways inside this range. We are trading the range currently. So if we head to the bottom of the range at 7.6 cents, we'll probably get a bounce. That would be the, short-term prediction to the downside, short-term prediction to the upside. That 0.38 at around that 10-cent level, 10 cents being a big psychological target that we do want to see broken, and, a bit of continuation from that. And then beyond that, as we've always said, we do think 50 cents to $1 for Vechain, a very, very likely range to hit by the end of the bull run. In and around this area between the 127 here, around 44 cents. And our $1 price target. And we could even see higher targets than that if we do start to see ourselves getting back up into this bull market structure, as you can see here. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.